In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resize image in Wix. To begin, open your Wix editor and go to the page where your image is placed. Once you can see the image you want to adjust, click directly on it to select it. This is important because Wix needs the image to be active before you can make any changes to its settings. When the image is selected, you will usually see editing options appear nearby. Next, click on Edit Image. This will open the image editing tools where you can make changes to how the image appears on your site. If you are working carefully with layout and design, this is the area that gives you more precise control over the image rather than simply dragging the corners visually on the page. Inside the image settings, look for the size section. This is where Wix lets you define the exact dimensions of the image. Using the size section is especially helpful when you want your design to look clean and consistent, or when you need multiple images to match one another in size. In the width or W field, type the exact width you want for the image. Then move to the height or H field and enter the exact height you need. Be sure to use values that fit well within your page layout. If your image looks stretched or compressed, double-check the numbers you entered and make sure the proportions work for the image you are using. Choosing the right dimensions can help the image look sharper and more balanced on the page. After entering your preferred width and height, save your changes. Saving confirms the new image size and applies it to your Wix page. Once that is done, take a quick look at the image in the editor to make sure it appears the way you want. If needed, you can always go back into the same settings and adjust the values again until the size feels right for your design. That is the full process for resizing an image in Wix. Click the image, open Edit Image. Find the size section, enter your width and height values, and save the changes. It is a simple method, but using exact dimensions can make a big difference in how professional your website looks. That covers everything you need to know.